Roll. You can do it. You can do it. Look at those muscular arms. Come on. It's time to roll. What? What are you saying? You almost got it. You almost got it. You did it. You did it. You did it. You did it. Come on, come on. Pull your arm out. Pull your arm out. Come on, don't give up. Don't just lay there on your side. You almost have it. Come on. Pull your arm out. Pull your arm out. Come on. You're almost there. I think you're already there. Yay! Good job. Oh, back the other way. Oh, what is that? Oh, there goes your Nico John. He doesn't want anything to do with you.